Yeah.
Nakakatuwa. Kamusta nga? Uy, bibidyohan na naman yan. Hayaan mo lang siya. Bibidyohan niya lang. Nakakatuwa kasi. Diba, nung nakaraan, ang problema natin, nalilito siya mag-baro-baro. Oo. So, ang ginawa ko may review ka ulit siya pabalik dun sa mga popsicle stick.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Complete.
46 days. Tapos
Coming together.
yeah. So, yun muna yung pinakita.
A
Tapos,
S U Z M
tapos ngayon na-grade ko na siya. Nakakagawa mo siya mag-isa kahit sabay sila ni Hardy.
Complete
Kaya niya
the
na
puzzle.
bibigyan ko lang siya ng time.
Get thousand G P
Tapos binibigyan ko siya ng technique na kuhain niya yung 67 days.
K M
Kasi hindi
PR
niya na
per
visualize. Bakit humihiram? So,
G
pinakita ko siya na sa kanya yung 67.
M
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
R
6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tapos 7.
Oh no, is stuck.
Yan. 1, 2,
You see, is stuck.
5, 6, 7. Tapos tinignan ko na.
You should step concrete.
Tapos, sabi ko,
I made fan-made video. Dimas video.
Can you solve shop 9 from 7? No. What do you do? The sticks are not enough.
Heroization. Yeah.
Para nakikita niyo.
H W Latin. Cool. W H.
Nakakatuwa na sagutan niyo po ng maayos. Nagkaroon lang siya ng problema nung nagkaroon na ng hundreds.
Upside down. Rotating.
Isang 100. Para nakikita niya pa. Tapos nakakatuwa.
J
Sabi niya dito.
Yeah.
Paano na yung technique? Alam mo bang ginagawa
G.
niya? Sinusulat na lang yung ganyan.
J.
Tapos mini-mental math mo na. Nakukuha mo na kagad yung sagot.
Nice. Yay. Complete the puzzle. Circle.
Explain lang
V.
po sa kanya na
You made it. Complete the puzzle.
masasabi mo lang kung paano naman
Potato. Moving. Get some potatoes. I am 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 12, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6.
Nahihirapan siya kasi
4,
mas mahihirap na so, lalo na pag nag-grade 3 na nakakatawa.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it what cat sank, she said, read nerves. 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, need it. Into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need it. 8, 9, 10. Next, you need. Thank you. Beautiful. Miss Rat. Around it. With me. Made it. Funny. Make it her. What's inside it? You need it. Complete the puzzle. About this yard. to read it. Back to puzzle for kids. Let's have funny little Mickey and Minnie. He sat on a chair. Mickey Mouse is coming together. Mickey, he rides a bike. Back through the yard. Meeko and Meeka are here. Yeah. Through the yard. And after videos, Mickey is so good. He's solving your puzzle. Meeko and Meeka are here. Meeko and Meeka waiting. Come and play.